Hello, student. Today we will discuss about matrices. What is matrices? First of all, introduction of matrix. Introduction of matrix. This is the chapter number third, class 12th NCERT book. Topic number 3.1. Introduction. What is matrix? Matrices. The knowledge of matrices is necessary in various branches of mathematics. Matrices are one of the most powerful tools in mathematics. This mathematics tool simplify work to great ex- extent when compared with other straightforward methods. The evolution of concept of matrix is the result of an attempt to obtain compact and simple method of solving system of linear equation. The linear equation is this type: ax plus b is equal to 0. This is a linear equation we will discuss in this chapter. Matrices are not only used as a representation of coefficients in system of linear equations, but unity of matrix for exceeds that use matrix notation operations are used in electronic spreadsheet programs and personal computer, which in turn in use in different areas of businesses and science likely budgeting, sales projection, and cost estimation analysis, the result of an experimental etc. Also, many physical operations such as magnification, rotation, and deflections through a plane can be represented mathematically by metrics. Metrics are also used in cryptography. Mm, The metrics are used in cryptography in higher education. The mathematics tools is not only used in certain branches of sciences but is also genetic, economically, sociology, and modern psychology and industrial management. In this chapter, we shall find interesting to become acquiring with the fundamental of matrix algebra. And second one heading is and second one heading is 3.2 matrix. And what is matrix? Suppose we wish to express the information that Radha has 15 notebooks. We can represent as Radha is this type of this. Radha has 15 books expressed as this type of this, and with the understanding that the number inside that the number inside is the number of books, and this sign and this notation is a matrix notation. Matrix notation. This is a matrix notation. And now if we have expressed as Radha has 15 books and 6 pens. Radha have 15 books and Radha have 15 books and 6 pen. Then we will represent it as and express as 15 books and 6 pen. And this type of matrix is a row matrix. We will discuss in the next. And the first number is a number of books, and second one is first one is number of books, and second was number of pens. And second, with the understanding, the first number inside this is the number of notebooks, and the other is number of pens. Suppose there are three friends. First one is Radha, and second is to another friend, Fazia and Simran. These are all our friends. Then Radha has 15 books and 6 pen, and Fazia has 10 books and 2 pen, and similarly Simran has 13 books and 5 pens, number of pens. Then we could be arranged in a tubular form as follow this. We will arrange all these are this in this matrix in these types. Dada has 15 books and 6 pen, and Fazia has thus 10 books and 2 pen, and Simran has 13 books and 5 pen. This is the Radha has 15 books, 6 pen, and Fazia has 10 books, 2 pen, and Simran has 13 books and 5 pens. This type of arrangement is called matrices representation. And this is first one is this is a first row, and this is second row, and this is third row, and this is first column. Oh, set. Sorry for this. And this is second column. This is a matrix representation. This which we can express these terms in another way, likely as Radha, Fazia, and Simran. This is first row is notebook, this notebook, and yeah, book, and second is pen. Second row is pen, and first row is books. Radha has 15 books, Fazia has 10 books, and Simran has 13 books, and Radha has 6 pen, and Fazia has 2 pen, and Simran has 5 pens. We can represent This is these types of matrix representation: 15, 10, 13, 6, 2, and 5. Similarly, this is first and this is second, the first column, this one is first, this one is second, and this one is third column. This is the basic structure of matrix and matrix representation. And next is the definition of matrix. This is very important. Definition first. A matrix is an order of rectangular array of number of function. Number of functions. That numbers of functions are called the element of the matrix. The number of functions are called the element of entire matrix. Some examples are this. We denote matrix by capital letter, like as A, B, capital letter of English alphabet. For example, the A is equal to -5, and these are all examples belongs to NCERT 5, 0, √5, 3, 6, and another matrix B is equal to. These are the examples of matrix 2 plus iota, 3 minus 1 by half, 3.5 minus 1, 2 under √3, 5, 5 by 7. These are all matrix. And another example, C is equal to 1 plus x square. This is an algebraic matrix. 3 cos x and sin x plus 2 and tan x. These are all example of matrix. And next heading is order of matrix. The next heading is 3.2.1 is order of a matrix. What is the order of matrix? A having a m row and n columns is called of order m and n matrix. Suppose we have a matrix. These are m rows and n columns. The order of matrix are first one is row and second one is column. This is the order of matrix. Suppose, for example, here is set. This is first column, second column, third column, that is this mth column. Number of column is m. Similarly, in this rows, first row, second row, third row, and last one is m row. Number of rows are m. So this first one is row and second one is column. The order of matrix is m cross n. This is a simple formula we will discuss this time. And NCERT formula is m cross n has the following rectangular array. A11 first row first column, A12, A13, and that does A1j, and that is A1n. These are columns. N is column. And A21, A22, A23, A2j, A2n, and so on. AI1, AI2, AI3, Aij, and Ain, and similarly and last row is am1, am2, that is am j, amn. Then order is m cross n. Here some notation. The value of I vary between 1 and I and m. The value of I, and second one is value of j, and this I comma j belongs to natural number. Here value of I, this is I, this is I, 1, 2, and then I, and after that m. The value of I vary between I and m. I and m vary between I and m. I and m. Similarly, the value of j is a column. The value of j is varying between 1 and n. This is the order of matrix. I think you are easily understanding what is the order of matrix. In simple word, how many numbers of rows and columns are in a matrix are called as order of a matrix. For some example, suppose I have matrix 1, 3, 1 minus 1, and second is 0, 2, 3, 2. This is the number of rows is 2 and number of column is 4. In simple word, is the axis matrix. The order of matrix is 2 cross 4. This is the order of matrix is 2 cross 4. And number of element in this matrix is equal to multiplication in each other. 2 for the 8. The number of element is 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 element. And the number of element is 2 cross 4. Multiplication of these numbers. Number of element. This is the number of element. Example number. Example number 2. If a matrix has its element, what are the possible order it can have? If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What are the possible order it can have? We know the order of matrix is M cross n is the order of matrix. The number of element is mn. Now I have number of element is equal to number of element is equal to 8. Yeah, how many possible of order of matrix? The pair of natural number product of Two natural number is this. 8 has 4 to the 8, and second pair is 2 4 the 8, and third is 1 8 the 4, and fourth is 8 1 the 8. These are all 4 possible order pairs. These are all 4 possible order is 1 cross 8 and 8 cross 1 and 4 cross 2 and 2 cross 4. These are the order of matrix. And next example is last example in this class. Example: consider a 3 cross 2 matrix whose element. Consider a 3 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given. Are whose elements are given by Aij is equal to half I minus 3j. We can write again Aij is equal to 1 upon half I minus 3j. In general, the 3 cross 2 matrix are is A11, A12. The possibility is this: A21, A31, A22, A32. This is the 3 rows, this, and 3 column, and this. First we find A11. This, the value of I is equal to 1 and value of j is equal to 1. Put in this expression 1 upon 2, 1 minus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 by half 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 2, and cancel out minus 1. A2, and find second. A12 is equal to 1 upon half matrix value of I is equal to 1 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to, sorry, here is a mistake. This is not a minus, it's a plus, because the value of mod minus 2 is equal to 2. Two by 2 is equal to 1 is equal to 5 by 2. A21 is equal to half, put value I is equal to 2 minus 3 cross 1 is equal to half 2 minus 3 is equal to half 1. The value of mod minus 1 is equal to 1 half. A22 is equal to 1 upon 2 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 by half. 2 minus 6 is equal to 1 by half minus mod 4 is equal to 4 by half is equal to 2. Similarly, we find a 3 1 is equal to 1 by half. I value 5 is equal to 3 minus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 by half. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 is equal to 0. And similarly, a32 is equal to 1 by half. Put value is equal to 3 minus 3 multiplied by and j is equal to 2. 1 by half. 3 minus 6 is equal to 1 by half minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2. These are all values of a11, a12, a21, a22, a31, a32, and we will make a required matrix. These are all values put in this matrix. Then a is equal to a11 1, a12 5 by 2, a21 1 by 2, a22 2, a31 0, a32 3 by 2. This is the final answer. So thank you. You can join my Telegram channel to get this PDF. My Telegram channel is Advanced Mathematics 11th and 12th. Thank you.